Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue in the assessment of those societies and trusts which are claiming the exemption under section 11. The issue is this, that if the society who is claiming the exemption under section 11 does not own the premises in which the school is running, then whether the society will be able to claim those expenses as application of income which are incurred for the repair and maintenance of the building, or the expenses which are done to make the payment of the property taxes. This issue has been discussed by Honorable SMC Bench of Bombay, IT80. This issue has been decided in the case of Bombay Society of the SALESIAN Sisters versus Income Tax Officer, and the date of the judgment is 12th December 2023. In the present case, the assessment year related is 16-17, the financial year is 2015-16, and during the financial year 15-16, the assessee incurred a very heavy amount of rupees 43,45,646 towards the repair and maintenance of the building in which the school was running. Apart from that, the assessee has also incurred an expense of 61,425 for the payment of the property tax for the building. The important fact which is relevant for this case is that this building in which the society was running the school was not owned by the society, it was owned by another charitable trust since 1970. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the learned assessing officer was of the opinion that since the building in which the school is running is not owned by the assessee, so the very heavy expenditure of rupees 43,45,646 cannot be allowed to the assessee, and the property tax of rupees 61,425 should also not be allowed to the assessee as an application of income. But the learned assessing officer said that some minor repairs and maintenance can be allowed to the assessee. When the assessee carried this matter to the CIT appeal said that since there is no memorandum of understanding between the assessee-society and the trust who owns the premises in which the school is being run, and there is no agreement as such, so the expenses of rupees 43,45,646 and the property tax of 61,425 cannot be allowed to the assessee, meaning thereby that the CIT appeal upheld the order of the learned assessing officer. When this matter came to the Bombay IT80 SMC Bench said that first of all, it is very essential to know that the nature of expense, whether it is capital expenditure or the revenue expenditure, it is not important to determine the application of income under section 11 subsection 1 clause A. Apart from that, the tribunal said that whatever the expenditure have been incurred for the repair and maintenance, that was very essential for the object of the society, that was the school run by the society, and this expenditure was done to protect the interest of the students who were studying in that school, and that was necessary for the security of the students and the other staff, which was very helpful in the running of the school. The tribunal said that in the present case, the department has also allowed the same expenses in the previous years also, so it cannot be said that the expenditure is not incurred for the purpose of the society, and it does not matter whether the building in which the school is being run is owned by the assessee society or not. It does not have any impact for allowing the application of the repair and maintenance and the property tax for the purpose of section 11 subsection 1 clause A. Friends, this case is very important because in the case of charitable societies who are running for schooling, hospitals, it is a very common feature that the premises in which they are running their social work are not owned by them, they are owned by someone else. So whatever the expenses are being incurred for the upkeep of those buildings cannot be denied to the assessee as application of income. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Bombay Society of the Salesian Sisters India versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 109 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 44, and the matter has been decided by Mumbai SMC Bench, and the date of the judgment is 12th December 2023. Thank you, friends.